Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kier Abraham from the Criminal Justice Education. It's a great honor for me to take this chance in helping us engage in a conversation about a subject that has been the source of many problems in the world. It is a problem that continues to affect a big part of world population. Today, I want us to talk about poverty. Poverty is a multifaceted issue that plagues countless individuals worldwide. It encompasses the lack of basic needs, necessities such as food, shelter, healthcare, and education. This insidious condition traps people in a various cycle of deprivation and despair, limiting their opportunities and perpetuating inequality. The causes of poverty are complex and vary across regions. Economic disparities, political instability, conflict, and natural disasters and lack of access to resources all contributes to its persistence. Moreover, poverty often intersects with other form of discrimination such as racism, sexism, and compounding its effect. The consequences of poverty are dire individuals. Living in a poverty face increased risk of malnutrition, disease, violence, and social isolation. Children growing up in poverty may experience developmental delays, educational disadvantage, and limited employment prospects. Poverty also undermines social cohesion, eroding trust, and fostering resentment within communities. The reasons why I need us to look into this topic is because poverty has assumed a dynamic character with patterns of consumption, progress, and technology, as well as social behavior, eradication of global poverty, and hunger. It's the number one Millennium Development Goals. Addressing poverty requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses both immediate relief and long-term solution. Emergency aid such as food, resistance, and shelter is crucial for alleviating the suffer of those in dire need. However, sustainable solutions must focus on empowering individuals and in communities to break the cycle of the poverty. Education is a powerful tool of combating poverty. It provides individual with the knowledge and skills necessary to secure employment and improve their lives. Healthcare is equally essential, ensuring access to preventive and curative services that promotes well-being and reduce the burden of disease. Economic empowerment is vital. Access to decent work, fair wages, and social protection system can help lift people out of poverty and provide them a sustainable income. Small business development and microfinance initiatives can also empower individuals to generate their own and create their jobs. Finally, addressing the root causes of poverty is crucial. This involves tackling economic inequality, promoting political stability, resolving conflicts, and ensuring inequality access to resources. It also requires challenging discriminatory practices and fostering inclusive societies that value all members. And that's all. And thank you.